Hey everybody, this is Mr. Kellner with a short video to show you how you can get your Chromebook to read information to you from a website automatically. Well, almost automatically. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on a feature called Select to Speak. I'll show you how you can use it a couple of different ways and then also how to turn it off. So let's get to it. First, we're going to show you how to turn on the feature. So if you click down here in the right-hand corner, and you click on the gear icon, that's going to take you to your Chromebook settings. So on the left-hand side, there's a tab that says Advanced, and if you click on that, it'll drop down some advanced options. So you're going to click on the accessibility options, and then there's a place to click that says Manage Accessibility Features. You're going to turn on Select to Speech, and when you do that successfully, you'll see this little button pop up down here at the bottom of your screen. So now with the feature turned on, let's show you a couple of different ways you can use it. So I'm here in Achieve 3000, and there's an article that my teacher has asked me to read. If I want the Chromebook to read that for me, let's say I've got some earphones, I could do that a couple of different ways. The first is to just click this button here, and then if I click on the text I want it to read, it'll start reading that passage to me right then and there. So when this turns on, you can see that you have the option to pause the reading and then to keep playing the reading. You have the option to skip ahead.
The exhibit is designed to help the public understand.
And then you can also skip a whole section to the next paragraph.
Is one of many arising.
Okay, so that's a couple of different ways you can use it. You can also speed up the speed at which it reads to you. So the other way that you can turn this feature on, so the first way is to click here, and then anywhere you click on the screen, like if I need to know the time,
8:34.
there it is. Okay, the other way I can use this tool is to push the little magnifying glass key on the keyboard and then select the text that way. And then anything that I select, it'll start reading.
Hall within the Science Museum of London.
Go back down here to the lower right-hand corner. You can go and click the gear, but when this is turned on, you'll see that it gives you the accessibility menu directly there. If you click there and then uncheck the box, it'll turn that feature off for you.